Alright, you guys, in Costco. Okay, they have a 5-in-1 protection cucumber and cactus water. $12.49. Ends on the 30th. It's a pretty good deal for deodorant. Stock up on deodorant, trust me. $10.99 here. You will get 3. Ends on the 30th as well. Okay, and then we have a 5-pack, $11.99. Ends on the 30th. Toothpaste. So everything up here is all on a discount as you walk in. I did share batteries before. You get AA for $18.99. Now this one does end on the 23rd. And then we have a Newman Bone, $39.99. Not on discount, but they do have it up front. We have medium roast organic, 80 count, K-cup pod. This thing is like always on sale. $89.99, but I feel like it used to be like $75, I think, or like $78. So $89.99, your limit is 5. Febreze, $7.49, ends on the 30th of March. And next to me, Solar Shade, $13.99, and then $100 for the air purifier. Ends on the 30th. And the tumblers are $25. They're not on discount, but I did share them in a different video. And these are going to be $20, and of course you get 2 in a pack. The Ninja is $50, $20 off. You know, I think this is the cheapest I've seen the big size. Normally the bullet, normally that like $50 or 60, but 50, limit 5, ends on the 30th. It does work really well. Like, I mean, if you haven't know, the Ninja has everything. The only thing I don't like about this big boy, I've had mine for like maybe 10 plus years. It's just a bitch to clean. Oh, sorry. $73. Ends on the 15th on the wagon. They do have a wagon in Sam's Club, and sometimes that one is cheaper. Work gloves, $7.99 right here. $7.99. Ends on the 16th, and then next to me ends on the 31st. Which is really weird because I was in a different location yesterday. This was not on discount, but $12.99 here. Okay, on my way driving here, these are actually really cool. I saw a lady, or so whoever lived in that house. There was a house like on my way here, and on the side of her house, she managed to put this up on all her walls. I think she had like 5. It looked really pretty. I was like, hey, I've seen that thing in Costco. She has like flowers in there. So if you're gonna do that, obviously you have to be like a green thumb person and take care of it, water all the time, especially in our heat. But it looked really nice, like on the side of her house on the wall. It was like tons of this with flowers. Sorry, it was pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Texas flavored barbecue, $13.50. $13.50 right here. A blue, a diamond, 45 ounce. And pumpkin seeds. These are really good for you, you guys. You know how I've been talking about menopause. I'm not there, but I'm just reading up on it. Organic pumpkin seeds are actually really good to have. They're like really, really good. Well, they're good anyway. But I forgot, what did he say? What was in here? I'm not a nutritionist. The pumpkin seed thing we were reading.
Some kind of good vitamin.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's organic. Okay. Who cares? Like
that's something that all those vitamins are missing is whatever's in pumpkin seeds, in organic pumpkin seeds.
$10 right here. Hatch chili cashews, $11.99. So I'm just like kind of getting into like vitamins. I don't take vitamins, you guys. I've never taken a multivitamin in my life. Besides, you know, like when you're pregnant, you have to take like prenatal vitamins. And that's about it. I've been like I'm a clean person. And plus I hate swallowing pills. Okay, these are new. Reese's PB&J. We have strawberry and grape. I don't know, you guys. You know that Crustables should make us candy. Just oh, that's crazy. See this one? These are $13.79. And then these are $8.99. Strawberry thin. Oh gosh, you guys, dark chocolate expert. See, I don't buy these snacks that I see. And you know, I don't know, maybe I should go get some blood work done because like I've been telling my husband like I've been feeling like heavier than the normal, but I don't.
You don't look heavy.
I feel it. And my clothes fit me still, but I've been feeling like bloated like crazy. Like, I don't know. I'm too young, but it could happen at any age. But you know, it's a natural thing. All women go through it. What, you know, you guys know my daughter and her friends' moms tell me all this crazy stuff, and I'm like, oh, no. But women go through it. And the men, or doctors, sorry. Everyone needs to stop telling women it's all in your head. If you have a doctor, I'm going to tell you right now, even as a mom, and they say, oh, stop Googling and yada, 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 leave, okay? Because my daughter, it has a, she's, I don't know the word for it. I'm not going to say clinically sick. That's not the term. But she does have this like nerve thing in her stomach. And it took us like 5 years or more to figure out what was going on with her. It was like, I would want anyone going through that, even as a like young kid or grown up, the pain you're in constantly and going to doctors on doctors no matter what. And this is $51.49, and they say it's like in your head. You know how many doctors told me that? Or it's constipation. I'm like, no. You have to advocate and advocate. And when we finally got the diagnosis, like I wanted to cry because oh my gosh. But anyway, so my daughter has another thing going on. She has,
took 5 years.
yeah,
Still.
she has slipping rib syndrome. If you guys don't know what that is, it's where your cartilage on your rib cage like is,
The ribs almost start
your,
overlapping.
yeah, your ribs like overlap each other, and it's painful because right now we're trying to figure out like what to do with it. $59.99 here on the Bluey. We're trying to figure out what to do. There's medication, but like it is so painful. It reminds me of the time when she was sick. Like you're crying every day, like you're in so much pain, you know what I mean? And she could do a nerve block, and I do have an appointment coming up, and I'm just gonna, she's like, I just want to do it because she's like, I want to live my life normally, function in school, because she does go to school. And she's like, I'm just so tired because she's constant in pain all night, and the medicine they give you is like just not doing its job, and it's rib pain. Your ribs are moving, you know. Anyway, enough of me. But yeah, always advocate. If you find a doctor saying to you as a woman or any child that is in your head, get the hell out of there. $280. Okay, these are new luggage. They are $70, so on discount. We have green and black. Let me show you. So much glare. Okay, new $12.39 Thai fried bananas in coconut and sesame seed batter with coconut cream sauce and caramel honey. How cool. Alright, $48.99 Snow Diamond Series. Floss, $14.99. Okay, on discount, $29.99. 40 plus 20. Kind of reminds me of my mom. She used to be like, hurry, what's 15 plus da da da. I'm like, oh, get off me. Okay, here's a new thing. 25 makeup eraser cloud cleanse foam. I didn't even know they had like a cleansing thing. Kind of reminds me of the Versed. Is it Versed? Yeah, the jelly. Not a jelly, but you know. But it's 25. Says hyaluronic acid, collagen, all that good stuff. It is fragrance free. You get the headband and cup. The Turbo Wash, Turbo, $14.97. Okay, I have a feeling this might go down. I should go down lower. Normally when it hits like 11, I buy it. And I believe last year they had some left over and it was like $5. Alright, you guys, I believe that is gonna do it for this Costco location. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. Old Spice, $15.99. Even though it's not on discount, you get 4 for $15.99 and aluminum free. That's pretty cheap. And we have Degree 5-pack, which is $10.49.